Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Now that we're familiar with adding text and clip art to individual slides in our presentation, we need to know how we can use the slide sorter view to help us manage the order and flow of those slides. We mentioned this earlier, but let's recap what slide sorter view allows us to do. Slide sorter view allows you to view and sort all of the slides in your presentation. It also allows you the ability to insert, delete, and copy slides in your presentation. You can organize the slides in an order that better suits your presentation's flow if needed. And with slide sorter view, you get an overall view of the presentation's visual flow. Because in slide sorter view, you see all of the slides in your presentation laid out as thumbnail pictures. And the only thing you can't do in this view is modify the content of the individual slides. So if you would like to go to this view, choose View from the menu bar and Slide Sorter. If you would like to reorganize the order of your slides in Slide Sorter view, you can simply click on a slide and drag it to another place in the presentation. So for example, if I wanted to move vocabulary before overview, I can click on vocabulary and drag it. Wherever you see this gray line is where it will be inserted. So I just flip-flopped those two. If you'd like to duplicate a slide, you can select a slide to duplicate and just choose Edit from the menu bar and Duplicate. It makes a duplicate of the slide, basically a copy-paste without having to break it into two steps. You can also copy-paste slides by clicking on them, clicking Copy, selecting where you'd like to insert them, and then clicking Paste. Or you can move slides other than clicking and dragging by just clicking on a slide to move, clicking the Cut button, clicking where you want it to be inserted at, and then clicking Paste. Also, you can select multiple slides at the same time in this view. So if I wanted to delete all of the duplicate slides I had made, I could click on the first one, and if the slides are non-adjacent, find the other slide, hold down Control on your keyboard and click that as well. And you can continue clicking on the different slides as long as you're holding down Control on your keyboard to select multiple non-adjacent items. Then to delete them, just hit Delete on your keyboard. Also, if the items that you wanted to select happen to be next to each other, you may click on the first one, hold down Shift on your keyboard, and click on the last one to select all in between.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.